Hey friends, Steve O's, your go-to guy with all things applications here at Fullerton. Today we're stepping into the world of non-ferrous machining with our standout performer, the 3833 AlumaMill G3. Now what makes the AlumaMill G3 a game changer? Let's break it down. First off, it's engineered for impeccable floor finishes, ensuring your aluminum projects leave a lasting impression. Now that's just the beginning. With the AlumaMill G3, you're not just improving surface quality, you're also slashing cycle times without compromising precision. Imagine reducing machine time while maintaining top-notch quality. That's the power of the AlumaMill G3. And here's the kicker. Its superior performance and durability make it a must-have for any aluminum machining task. So whether you're crafting aerospace aluminum components or intricate aluminum parts, the AlumaMill G3 is your key to efficiency and precision. Now let's load up some material and see what the AlumaMill G3 can do.